Hi, my name's Jim. I am the shop manager here at Paul Component Engineering. I do a lot of the mill programming, some of the design stuff. Basically what I do is I take Paul's ideas and I make them into parts, like the boxcar stem and the clamper. Had a pretty big hand in both of those products. I've been here for what, 23 years I think, and I really love it here. Love my job, love riding bikes, love making stuff out of aluminum. But my true passion is not manufacturing your bikes. It's something else completely different. My true passion is the continuous roll towel dispenser. Now you've probably seen these things in gas stations or maybe a Mexican food restaurant in 29 Palms. Anyway, they're all ancient. And they all work very poorly, which is why I love them. So anyway, today I'm going to show you guys how to change a towel in a continuous roll towel dispenser. The first thing you want to check is the condition of the old towel. Generally, the towel is going to be twisted up, rolled over on itself, pulled out too long, or any other state of disrepair. This one is just like that. It's just about ready to curl itself up and get tangled up in the back. So it's ready to be changed. The other thing you'll notice is that most people hate these things with a passion. So what they do is they booby trap it. So when you go to pull the towel out to dry your hands, you pull it out one time. Oh, and look, it comes out in your hands. That's awesome. So that means you're the one that gets to change the towel. I'm going to go ahead and open this cabinet. Take the old, disgusting, dirty towel out, and you roll it up. There you go. Now, what you do with the old towel is you put it in a pile with a bunch of other old, disgusting towels, and you have a towel service come, and what the towel service does is they soak it in some nasty chemical, and then they bring it back 2 weeks later and tell you that it's clean. I'm going to get my clean towel, unroll it a little bit. Now, you've got to put the towel in what I call the hanging thing. You've got to get the orientation right. So you want the towel coming out on the bottom. Pull that out, and then you put it through this front rolly thing. Now be aware that there's more than one rolly thing. There's a front rolly thing, and there's a middle rolly thing, and there's a back rolly thing. Anyway, you put it through the front rolly thing. You try to get it as straight as you can. Pull it out a few times. This is usually when it starts to get messed up. So you pull it out, and then you just want to bring it up underneath the hanging thing in the back. And then you got to find the back rolly thing. Oh, the back rolly thing is actually still in the old towel, which you will forget to do every time. So now you find that, roll the towel up, put that in that slot there, close the hanging thing, lock it back up, and give it a couple of tugs. This is usually when it'll start to get tangled up again, so you get to have all kinds of fun with this for like the next week while you're using this towel. But anyway, this one looks like it's good to go for now. One thing I want to warn you guys about though is you don't want to have the towel be too low, because if it is, you can get your head stuck in it and it's a real danger of strangulation. So you want to keep the towel, at a shorter length than I have here. Otherwise there could be death or injury. So I'm going to actually go ahead and roll that up. But one thing you need to know is that sometimes your coworkers will leave the towel dangled too low, probably because they don't like you. So anyway, just be aware of that. So that's it. That's how you change the towel in the roll towel dispenser. My name's Jim. Check out our parts at paulcomp.com. Hope you learned something.